see this hourly. See, we wicked below that, grabbed liquidity. So that's the thing, like, you think it's grabbing liquidity, but it's not. So we wicked below that hourly candle, grabbed liquidity, yet we did not have enough strength with the buyers to take that to the top. 2 times it's been trying to grab liquidity. It looks like it's really, really trying to fucking move up and it's having a lot of problems. I think there is a short in play. I have a short bias. We should go for opening range failure to see how they close. It's like we moved up. None of what happened yesterday was on high volume, first off. And there was a serious pullback on that first down day. Like it was very volatile yesterday, regardless of the move. Because if you think about it, all we did was break above highs. I almost want to fade this. We already like it didn't go straight the fuck up yesterday. It pulled back 50% damn near. If it makes the high first, most of the time, if it makes the high first, it breaks the low first. That is a statistic. That is a very interesting statistic. It's accurate. If it breaks the high first, it breaks the low first. I mean, if it makes the high first of the range, it breaks the low first. Very interesting statistic. This volume is so fucking low, it makes me want to short it so bad. Pisses me off. Look at this. Look at the sellers come in. Look how slow this fucking volume is. It's failing. I can risk 4 points right now.
Order filled.
I'm risking 3, 4, 5 points. I mean, just have to have this whole open range. Let's see if it fails. I mean, like if it fails right here, it's failing. That was a sell candle, and it was still low volume. If volume comes into the upside, it's totally different. I wanted to take this because it looks like an opening range failure. Volume is atrocious. Volume started coming into the downside, but there's nothing to the long side. Look at this book flip. Print screen. Suck my dick. Do it. All right. We got a failure. Statistically, we know if it makes the high first, it breaks the... If it makes the high first, it breaks the low first. I definitely want to target 7, 8, 10. The weekly bounce low. 7, 8, 15. If I could just get... There's a volume note here at 7, 8, 15. There was such a good range yesterday. I just don't know. All I know is I really like shorting low volume above opening range. Now, this is either going to be a higher high or a lower high. And this will tell me if my trade was a good idea or not. If it fails right here too, if it fails right here, then it's probably going to go down. I'm risking 2.5 points, which isn't bad at all. It looks like it's going to break above. Are these sellers going to come in? It's sitting right here is making me think it's going to end up popping up again, though. It hasn't failed dramatically yet. I feel like it's going to pop up one more time. Or could. I'll be losing my 2.5 point risk, and I could possibly getting a second entry if I have another confirmation of break of structure. I just know statistically, this is what usually happens. Made high first. Made low. Back to low volume winning. Back to low volume fucking this shit up, pulling it back. It's been trying to hold on for dear life. All these wicks. When I see too many wicks and liquidity not being able to be swept, we don't have enough liquidity. We swept our prior higher liquidity, and it didn't break it. It didn't help us make the move. That means we need to go further down to grab more liquidity, and I think that's where the retrace comes in. I want at least 15 points. I mean, I'm risking 2.5 points, so a 5R trade would be 12 points, which is pretty phenomenal, right? So honestly, I could probably 5R trade would be 2, 7, 8, 16. That's 11 points. That's almost a 5R trade right there. I would want to take a 5R. Anything from 7, 8, 16 down, I'm down to take my first 2 off, because that's a 5R trade with this 2.5 points risk. Such low risk. It shouldn't pop above this again. Well, now I'm missing 2.5 points. How much was I was missing 3.5 points. Now I'm missing 2.5 points. All right, missing 3 points. Okay. The book, look, the book's turning red. We broke a low. We just need to see these sellers continue to come in. Especially if volume starts to pick up. We should get a much bigger sweep to the downside. So I was risking 3.5 points. So 3.5, that's 7. A 4-hour trade would be 14 points. See how this volume is starting to pick up pretty heavy? I'm liking that. It's nice and smooth. We should get a volatile push down. For this is a 13-point trade I'm trying to take if I go to this range right here. Most likely with this push, we should go to this deviation at least. Let's see the volume pick up. Volume looks like it's picking up to the downside. All these wicks keep moving in. They weren't working. We do have a volume cluster at 7.816, so I'm not mad if I take 7.816 off. Let's see how far I can get it. Nice candle down. This easily can go to 7.807. I mean, if I'm really doing my targeting shit right, I should be targeting 7.807 to 7.800. But whatever I can get. All right, here we go. We got 7 points. It's 2R. Nice big strong candle to the downside at 7.19. I mean, if it comes all the way back up, then this trade is just not strength like I thought it was. Volume is increasing. There we go. Nice little push down. Liquidity. We already know we need some more liquidity than that, so come on. 7.816. I'm down with 7.816 to keep it a buck. Let's get 7.816. We broke the low. Are we going to range bound? I definitely think we should get 7.816 at least. Volume isn't coming in. Where's the volume at? Nice. Get that sweep. Sweep some more. Sweep some more. 7.815. 7.815s. Like this. I like it can increase. Keep going. Ooh, I don't like that. 8.25. Fuck me. There's a nice little pop. That was a nice little pop. Shift the tape here. 8.15s. I want to see 8.15s hit. I want to see 8.15s hit. I'm taking some off of 8.15s. Like we should hit this. I think this deviation is a good zone here. The buyers definitely don't look like they're in control. They definitely don't look like they're in control.
Target filled.
I took 2 off. I took 2 off. 7.815 has 311 lots in it. I took 2 off. I'll hold the second one. I'll hold this last winner. If it works. Was this a little early, a little premeditated? Yes, but at least I could, because it's still uptrend. The second lot though, I'm definitely gonna hold to 7.808s. This one I'm holding 7.808s. I'm holding this to 7.808s. My original risk was 3.5 points. I took 2/3 off at 3R, 2.5R. I'm cool with that. Totally cool with that. I'm taking 2/3 off at 2.5R in an uptrending market. I'm cool with that. Is it gonna go all the way down lower? If it does, the only time I'm taking off is if I go all the way to my first profit target. 7.808. We gotta tap that. That's another 10 points of profit. That's like another 50. Another 50. That's almost a $200 winner. That's cool. We're gonna hold it. We're gonna hold it. I like how this volume is increasing so much again. See, it's playing here so long. I'm happy I took 2/3 off. Now we're consolidating underneath, so it closed under opening range after breaking all these wicks, after breaking 4-hour. After we broke that 4-hour, we trapped participants. The liquidity just wasn't getting swept. Now, most likely, we're going to grab some liquidity from the. I mean, we can go all the way down to 7810 to 7800 is really the target zone. But I'm taking 7808s. That's the weekly. That's the prior week. That's the prior week volume deviation zone. And the median is 10, 7, 8, 10. So 7, 8, 10 to 7, 8. I'm super down with taking that. I'll take 7, 8, 10, honestly. Let's see what happens. Looks like it's breaking. Should I have held it? Oh, fuck, maybe. But whatever. For me to have 2 solid winning days in a row is super sexy to me. That's a 17-point move. What's the difference between 9 points and 17.789? So 4.5 points, 9. I've got like a 12, 13-point move if I get this all the way down to the second leg. So I really did get almost a 3R on my original risk. It would be nice if I took it off right there, huh? An extra 3 points on that would have been nice. Okay, big seller just filled. Big seller just filled. It's definitely doesn't have any liquidity. We got to go down further and grab some liquidity here, guys. That 7810 to 7800 is definitely the zone. I think weekly deviation is 7807. Like the probability of that filling is super high. 7810 round number just to make sure I'm not getting the trickle down, so I'm not sitting there waiting 10 minutes for the extra 2 points. I think that's super plausible. Now let's grab this. Let's grab this. Look at this. Ooh, beautiful move. Beautiful move. 13 points. I'm at 13 points now. Let's just fucking run it. Let's just fucking run it, sir. Let's see this one candle pop down all the way here. Like, we just need volume to increase. It's already at 714 now. Come on. Let that volume increase. I don't even want to be sitting here all day. Come on. The volume here is not nearly as high as the last one. I don't want to hold it. I don't want to hold this. I want to take it off. I'm like not, I don't have the mental capacity to be holding these. It's definitely a skill to hold this shit because I'd be getting tired. Okay, buyers just came in. Are buyers going to continue? Oh my gosh, the mental anguish. If this goes up there and retest that whole thing, I'll be mad. Oh my goodness. Do I want to hold this? Oh my god, holding these things is mentally exhausting. Holding this shit, the profit targets are just mentally exhausting as fuck. Hope it sweeps down. I'm about to get out. There we go. If this pops above that, I'm out. There's a big ass order. 7, 8, 17. Oh fuck, damn it. 7, 8, 17. 50. Run that down. I mean, if it pops above that, then it's definitely. Look at that big ass bid. Ooh, that big ass bid just locked that shit in there. 15 points. Oh, we gonna get there now. You're almost there. Mentally exhausting as fuck. There we go. Give me the money. There's not even that much volume yet. Okay. Bro, look how big these bids are up top. I'm not doing this.
Target filled.
I'm out. I'm not doing this shit. 160. Okay. I'm not fucking sitting here holding this. I'm tired.